love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today is chapter 26. Yeah. So it is like, it is called try exception. So what is a try exception? Hey, I want to try this. So what are my possibilities? Either I can succeed or I can fail. Okay. So these are at least the two possibilities. So, but sometimes when I fail, I don't want to badly fail. Okay. So try exception. When I'm trying this, I want to actually, if it passes one route, if it actually fails, pass it, handle this exception handling. So, even though it's like the if then else statement that we've actually studied, this try exception also, like, it actually gives you, it's like error handling. Okay, this is like an error handling, how you actually handle the error. It'll be interesting. So let's take a deep dive.
Friends, so in today's lecture, we'll be trying two things. One is a try, expect, exception, how to actually handle it, and then string formatting. As I always say, I'm not there to actually increase my video count. I want you to learn something substantive and then make yourself, your time valuable. Whether it is a 5 minutes, that 5 minutes should be valuable. Okay. So what is a try command? When you're actually trying a code, when you have an exception is an error handling. So the error handling is, how do I actually say this? Let's take this example. Okay, I'm not sure where are you guys from, but I'm from this place in India called Tamil Nadu. Okay, and I'm a city guy, so I'm from Chennai. But I love every part of Tamil Nadu, just like I love every other part of the world. So being in city, I have some complaints on the city, but that is okay. That is my personal complaints and personal opinion. Okay, so that I will not put on others. So now say suppose from Tamil Nadu, if I want to travel to Mumbai, okay, and I say like I want to travel via this distance. Let's take this. This is my objective, and if the error is I get lost. So what is my backup? I need to have a backup. So that is my exception handling. So when I try something, when an error is actually happening, I need to have an exception, right? So this is what it is. Okay. So the try block lets you to test a block of code for errors. Okay. And then handle the error. When there is no error, it executes the code when there is no error. Okay. It actually lets you, basically when you say try this, it actually, when you write a code and you say try, it actually checks and see whether there's an error. When there is the except is basically, as I told you, it's like a backup. It actually lets you handle the error. Else it actually proceeds when there is no error. And finally the block lets you execute the code regardless of the result. Okay, so this is the try is, remember, import JSON, import math. So here it is try, and then like this. We will be trying few commands, but hold on there. When you have many exceptions, you say try, print x, except name error, the variable x is not defined, or something else went wrong. Okay, so we'll be trying some command also, so hold on. Okay, so what we can do is maybe we can actually try this. Okay, so let me actually take this and let's actually say like, I'm going to try this. Okay, so let me actually take and let me try this here. I say try, print hello. I say, okay, something went wrong, else nothing went wrong. Let's see. Hello, nothing went wrong, because there is no error here. So since there is no error, I'm able to reach from Tamil Nadu to Mumbai or to Delhi easily. So there is no error. So that is why I say nothing went wrong, because there is no except thing which is actually coming. Do you understand this? We can also try this, which says finally. Okay, the finally, what is this finally here? It will be executed regardless. Okay, if the try command raises an error or not. So the final destination will actually go regardless of whether there's an error or not. So let's also try doing this. Okay, so nothing went wrong. Okay, it's going to be finished because there is no error here. It is actually picking up from a JSON, so that is okay. The previous lecture, so that is okay. So this is what the finally does. Now what I'm actually be going to do is I'm going to be trying and writing this command, which is not writable. So let's actually see what is actually happening. I say try, I say open my demo file, which I don't have, and then I say close. So let's see what it's doing. So something went wrong when opening the file, because it is not able to open the file because I don't have it. Okay, I give this command try except finally, and then I say close. All right. So when you raise an exception, okay, so let's actually see. When you raise an exception, the exception is the backup plan that I was mentioning. I define x is equal to -1, but I say, like, it is if x is this lesser than equal to 0, sorry, no numbers below 0. There can be some exceptions. Okay, you can actually raise some conditions that no, you can't do this. So this x is equal to -1, and I give a condition that anything below 0, you can't say it's unacceptable. Okay, and that is exactly what it is actually doing. It is raising an exception. All right. So let's actually take this here. Let's see what it does. I define my x is equal to hello, and hello is a string. If the type is not an integer, I raise a type error telling only integers are allowed. Very simple, right? Just pure English, and that is exactly what it is doing. Alright friends, now that we saw this try exception and we saw what it is, now we are going to be getting into string formatting. In the string formatting, basically we use curly brackets and we actually tend to format. So let's actually see this. I say a price equals 49, and then I say a text is the price is this dollars, and then I say format price. So I need to bring this thing here. So let's actually see here. I say it is $49. Okay, so text format of this price. I can even do to 2 digits, and let's actually see what the 2 digits is. So it is going to be giving me .00. All right. And if you want multiple values, I can actually have multiple values, and I can use this. I can say quantity is 3, item number is 567, price is this, I want blah blah blah, and to this thing, and my order is formatting everything in this manner to this thing. I do it. Okay, so this is exactly what it is. I trust you would have actually enjoyed this exception handling and my how to format the string. It's a quick lecture, but 2 lectures. So keep trying and let me know if you have any difficulties. So again, I want to thank you for giving me your time. Till we see next time, take care. Cheers.
Namaste friends, I trust you would have actually enjoyed my try exception. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and other is my wife Jayashree for allowing me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, take care. Cheers.